So hey guys, so I'm planning to make some quick pizza today. So I will just shoot this and I'll show you guys what I'm making today.
Hello guys.
Hey guys. So
welcome back to Sona's recipe.
oh, welcome back to Sona's recipe. Thank you, Myra. Thank you for introducing me back. So hey guys, it's the evening time and I have no idea what I wanted to make, but I have some leftover pizza bread. So I am thinking to mix and match and make some quick pizza. So let me just.
I knew that you were going to say pizza.
You know that.
Yeah, I was going to say, but then you said pizza.
Oh, you like pizza?
Yeah.
Can you get the pizza bread? Let's show everybody what we have.
Which one are you talking about?
Okay, so we'll just cut some basic vegetables, and I have this tikka sauce from Costco and this Rao's marinara.
So this is
I'm going to
pita bread.
combine, and this is pita bread, but we can also make pizza out of it, and I have tried it multiple times. So let's shoot it and let's show you guys. I'm going to start chopping the veggies now. Okay, Myra. So now we are going to.
Mama, like I'm hugging this
You're hugging this. Why?
because
Do you like it?
no.
Okay, keep it aside. Okay. Help me chop all the vegetables.
Bye,
now.
Dad. I want to play my room.
And I have kept the oven for conventional convection
Bye,
heating
guys.
on 400.
Bye, guys. I'm going to play in my room. I'm just joking.
You're joking. You're not going anywhere. So let's chop some onions here.
Onions.
Yes. What is this, Myra? Onions.
Onion. Yeah, you don't have to say anything. I'll tell you.
Okay, you tell everybody. Okay, what is this? Okay, we have some onions here. I'm going to only chop this much, or maybe just make a slice, cut from between, so that we can spread it. And then I have some capsicum.
No, I have to tell them.
Okay, Myra is going to tell everybody what
So
this
this
is.
is capsicum, and Mama's cutting capsicum. So we need to take the seeds out so I can feel spicy.
Okay. What else are we going to put on this pizza, Myra?
Whatever you bring, I will tell. Because I don't want to tell now.
Okay. You don't know. Whatever I'm going to show you, you're going to tell it that way.
No, I don't.
So what is this, Myra? What is this?
Olives. But I already know what you're adding.
Okay, Myra already knew that we're going to add olives. Okay, let's
I
chop
know
some olives.
everything well.
Okay.
You think I don't know everything?
अच्छा. Myra is ready. Myra को सब पता है ना Myra?
Yeah, I know how to make a pizza.
Okay, will you make pizza with me?
But
What
I
else can we put on the pizza?
never see a pizza made with olives.
You have
I
never.
mean, I see.
It's very common to put olives on pizza, Myra.
Yeah,
It's very common.
I saw it.
Oh, good. So just a little bit of olives here.
No, I have to tell the name though.
Okay.
Oh, I have to tell the name out.
Okay. Let's take some more. What else can we put? I have mushrooms.
So, no, don't tell the names I have
Okay.
to tell.
Okay, चलो बताओ
So,
क्या
these
है?
are more olives.
Okay.
And
Okay.
Put it
Two
out.
more. Like
Yes.
I've probably taken like
we're getting
5,
2
7.
We're taking 2 more olives. And we're going to add them to the pizza.
Okay, so this is done for now. Let's go to the stove because I have some vegetables that I'm going to saute and I'm going to show you.
I know the control.
So okay guys, now we have to do some.
Guys, if you come to my room, it'll be beautiful.
Oh, it will be beautiful. Okay, you should invite then everybody to your home.
I like all my friends because I love all my friends. And they will come on my birthday. My birthday is in March 12th.
Okay.
And Mama, you know, at my school, they have all the names of their cupcakes. So there's cupcakes and they write your name when your birthday comes.
Okay. So guys, now we are going to saute some mushrooms.
My birthday comes on March 12th.
Ah.
And Myra Gupta birthday comes in March 12th.
March 12th. So Myra's birthday is coming. So
Yeah.
Myra, what are we doing now?
And my birthday is almost coming. And Myra's birthday comes in March 12th. And my birthday comes in March 12th. It's the same.
Same. So she has another friend. Her name is also Myra, and her birthday is also on March 12th. That is what she's saying. Now let's come back to the recipe. So here, what do we have here, Myra? Makhan or
You
butter.
forgot the name?
What?
Makhan.
Makhan ko beta, we call it in English we call it as butter. Okay, so in this butter I'm going to saute some mushrooms. I have probably taken 7 or 5 to 7 mushrooms. So let this get heated.
Guys, so you like mutton and I
for glue. So here we will add some oregano.
What the add?
This is the oregano seasoning, and to this I'm going to add some mushrooms.
Oregano cheese.
Oregano cheese.
I know one cheese, oregano.
So we are going to saute these mushrooms little bit, and this is optional. If you don't want to add mushrooms, that is fine. I just had some mushroom, so I'm sauteing it right now. And you can also saute the vegetables right now if you would like to saute your vegetables and add it to the pizza, because that will be faster. At this time I'm going to also add some salt here. A little bit of salt. And now let's...
Oh, please don't add here powder because pop, pop, pop everywhere.
Okay. And let's cook these mushrooms thoroughly till they are wilted and well cooked. So okay guys, I've kept the mushrooms on the back burner, and now I'm going to show you another step which will help reduce the cooking time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook the base of pizza on the stove top for a few seconds so that it is crisp, and then we will continue cooking it inside the oven. So let
Is it hot?
It's not hot yet, it is getting hot. So let this tawa get heated, and the mushrooms are also cooking at the back burner meanwhile. And once those are cooked, then let's start the assembly of this pizza. Okay, and let it aside.
Yes. I'll do whatever you say.
Thank you, Beta.
And this is the one because
She's a very good girl. She's a very good girl. And my oven is also preheated. Olive. Okay guys, so we have all our bases ready, and I have two sauces also ready here. One is the paneer tikka sauce from Costco, and Maya, can you give me this? And another is the Rao's marinara sauce, and we are going to make these pizza. I'm going to make 2 paneer tikka and 3 regular size pizzas, regular gravy pizza. So let's start the assembly process. Maya, can you put the paneer tikka gravy here?
Need this?
This one, yes. Can you spread it? Let me actually put it, and then you can spread it, okay? Let me actually
I'm
take
gonna
it
get a
out.
knife.
No, you just have to do it like this. Okay, let me also put one here. Okay, can you please spread it?
Yeah. I'll try everything else.
Yeah, spread it properly. Yeah. And I'm going to put the marinara over here. So we are going to add a little bit of marinara on all the bases.
I spread
Yeah.
all this.
And we have already cooked the base little bit, so it will be faster to cook now. So I'm going to spread the marinara. Simultaneously, I do have some ketchup here to add that sweet tangy flavor. So I'm going to just add a little bit here. And this is my quick fix to make pizza on the day when I want to make homemade pizza. So let's spread this nicely. And you can customize the toppings as per your liking. Yes, so okay. I think I need a little bit more here.
No, I'm all done.
All done, good. And this base does not have a lot of salt, so I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of salt right now. Thank you, Beta. And now let's start putting some vegetables here.
Yes, I'll put.
Okay, Myra, can you help putting vegetables on all these pizzas?
Yeah, I'll put in my pizza.
One by one, okay? And I am going to spread these mushrooms that we have sauteed. This is enough. And now I am going to spread some salt on top of the veggies.
And let me put in mine. In her.
Okay, can you put some salt on your veggies? I'm going to also spread some oregano seasoning here.
Yeah, I did it. Now. Smells so good.
Mmm.
Yummy.
Nice.
Yummy.
And today I have this Mexican style.
So I'll put in my opening.
Okay, today I have this Mexican style cheese blend. It contains Monterey Jack, medium cheddar, quesadilla, queso quesadilla, and asadero cheese. So and this I have tasted. It contains some salt also, so I'm going to spread a little bit.
So I'll put in my opening.
Okay, Myra. I think we have all the pizzas ready. Now I'm going to.
I want to eat this and this.
Okay. Now I'm going to put it in oven for 12 minutes, and let me show you how that is going to look like.
Let's show everything. What is this? Guys, so these are pizzas, the one we put in the oven, and we're going to cook it for 10 minutes, 12 minutes, and when we will get it out, then it will become roasted, so yummy, and if you smell it, it will smell so good. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy.
Okay guys, it's been 12 minutes and let's check the pizza now. I think it's very well cooked, so I'm going to take it out now. Okay guys, so now we are going to try our pizza, and let me taste the paneer tikka one first, and let me tell you how.
Where the
how that is. So this is the paneer tikka gravy one.
Do you need mine?
Very sharp paneer tikka taste. It's actually pretty good. It can use
Can you show me?
a little bit of sweetness.
Show me.
Yeah.
I think it's a ketchup.
There's no ketchup. There's paneer tikka gravy. So this gravy has a lot of spices because of which it is very sharp. But it's a good change. And now I'm going to try this regular one.
I cannot eat three of this. I cannot eat three, Mommy.
Very nice.
I cannot eat
I actually like the regular marinara one.
pizzas.
So,
I can eat three pizzas.
okay, Myra, I'll give you one. Okay. So I think this one, this is a very quick recipe. So please do try this at your home when you have leftover bread. You can add any kind of vegetables of your liking. And now we are going to enjoy this. And I'll see you back in the next video pretty soon. Bye-bye and take care.
Wow, so yummy.
You like it, Myra? You like it? What do you like it?
Everything.
Everything. Okay. You like pizza?
Pizza best.
And Papa is also here.
Ngapain lagi ya kan?
Bye.
Bye guys.